We all know there's nothing better than eating fresh, raw, organic vegetables. Well, almost nothing. The only thing better is eating raw organic vegetables that you grow yourself. With Dr. Mercola's Sprout Doctor Starter Kit, you'll have everything you need to reap the enjoyment and nutritional rewards of growing your very own sprouts in the comfort of your home, no matter where you live or what color your thumb is. All you need is sunlight, water, and an appetite for some delicious and nutrient-dense food. Traditionally, there are two ways to grow sprouts. The most common is in jars, but you will need to rinse them several times a day to prevent mold from growing. And they can also take up space, a lot of space. To demonstrate how fun and easy this is, I'm going to use Dr. Mercola's personal favorite, and mine as well, sunflower. First, take 1.5 cups of sunflower seeds and place them inside a jar. This should yield about 1.5 pounds of sprouts if grown under optimal conditions. Fill the jar with filtered water and let the seeds soak for 6 to 8 hours. Next, take the tray with the holes and place it into the other tray so you'll be able to have the water drain without having to worry about mold developing. You'll need about 8 cups of Sprout Doctor Soil Enhancement to fill the tray. Spread the soil evenly. Make sure you leave a 1/2 inch space from the top for the seeds. Then spread the seeds evenly on top of the soil. Next, find a flat object to cover your trays. Dr. Mercola uses a ceramic tile, but a large plate or a baking pan will do just as well. Place a brick or a heavy object on top of the cover or tile. This is a critical step for growing healthy sprouts. You want to keep the cover and the weight on top of the seeds until they have started to push up about a 1/2 inch. This typically takes about 3 days. Ideally, you will want to grow only enough sprouts for you to eat. After the 3 days, remove your bricks and your tiles. Place the tray in front of the window, or if weather permits, outside. If you do place them outside, you'll need to be sure that you water the sprouts 2 or 3 times a day, as exposure to strong sunlight will require more water. But be careful of overwatering. This causes mold. To harvest them, take a pair of scissors and cut them off at the stems without touching the soil. Once cut, take the sprouts and rinse them with water. If you choose to harvest them all at once, it's helpful to store the sprouts in bags so they stay fresh longer. There are so many unique and healthy ways to enjoy freshly grown sprouts. Add them to salads, soups, stir-fries, or even juice them for a delicious vitamin-packed drink. Or enjoy them fresh, as is, as a healthy, great-tasting snack. You can order the entire Sprout Doctor Starter Kit or each item separately. It's up to you. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, you'll discover Dr. Mercola's Sprout Doctor Starter Kit is a fun, educational, and exciting new way to help you and your family take control of your health.